my biggest challenge teaching online is deciding how much technology to use. So there's so many different possibilities of Zoom makes possible things, Canvas, which is the course management system that my university uses. So there's so much, but one of the things I've learned from the students is they say, don't use everything. It's overwhelming to us if you use everything. So I think where I started in the beginning of the semester thinking, okay, we're going to do breakout rooms, we're going to do polls, we're going to, I'm going to stop in the middle of the discussion and ask them to put something in the chat room. We're going to switch screens and I'm going to use the whiteboard. I've simplified it. We really keep it simple so that the message of the class gets across and there isn't all this moving around. I think the thing that surprises me about online teaching is my class is 75 minutes, and 75 minutes both seems very long and it seems very short. And so one of the challenges has been to really say to myself, what's the essence? What are the lessons that you really want to teach today? And which of those lessons need to be live? Which of these lessons need to be, as we say, synchronous? Which of these lessons could really be asynchronous? And again, there's a big change between online and, as we say, in-person teaching. And I think that's helped me be a better teacher. I think that's helped the students be better learners. So, for instance, sometimes there's just information you need to give to students. And I've learned to put those in notes, which I send the students, and they have those notes. I don't have to use class time. I have found that the discussion board in Canvas, for instance, is really useful to get students thinking about the readings, getting them to write, for instance, here's an idea I think I'm going to argue, or here's the point I'm going to try to make. What do others think about that? So there have been discussions, and students get responses to ideas. I can respond, I can chime in, I can appoint a student to be the moderator of the discussion board. So things like that can happen outside of the class that actually make us more efficient and effective when we meet for those 75 minutes.